Let's explore our world. So this is our standard that we learned. And this happened in Porterville, in our school, in our small school in SEA. So we first began with our Geo-Inquiry process. So as you have already been learning, our Geo-Inquiry process requires to ask questions, collect data, visualize, create, and then act. So we first began to think. We were thinking. What can we solve? What problem do we have in our school or within our community that we can do something about it and help solve? Then we came up with one topic, the topic of trash. And we decided that our Geo-Inquiry question was going to be, how can we reduce the amount of trash in our school and our community? And how does our trash affect our world? Very interesting questions. Then we started our data collection. So we began to think, well, what part of our campus do we find the most trash? And what kind of trash are we finding? And we decided to make this map right here, where we had all the areas of our campus. And once we had our map, we decided to go out and collect trash. And we kept track of the amount of trash that we found in each area of our map. And what we did is we color coded where we found the most trash. So if you see on our map, the red color means that that's where we found the most trash. So most of our trash was in the cafeteria or outside our cafeteria. And we also found quite a bit of trash in our kinder playground. The orange meant that we found some trash in that area. So if you can see in the field and playground number 1, we found just a bit of trash, but not as much as the red. We also found some trash in between our hallways within our classroom buildings. And we also found some more trash on the side of the kindergarten playground. Then another thing we did, once we talked about recycles and non-recyclable trash, we decided to color code what types of trash we were finding. So as you can see, we also found some recyclable trash near our basketball fields, in our cafeteria, and the kinder playground, and just a tad bit around in the hallways of our classroom buildings. So then, once we collected all of that information, we started to really think about our question. How can we reduce the trash at our school? So one of the ways that we decided to go about our question was informing our school or our students around us about why trash needs to be thrown away and where it belongs, and the reasons why trash is harmful to our environment and even us. And we needed to let them know about how trash contaminates our soil and exposes our plants to animals to toxic chemicals. So this was part of our information that we found while we were researching our question. We also found that trash causes air pollution, which is bad for all of us. And another thing we found was that trash can pollute our water. And we need our water for very many things. As we know, we have a lot of our area around us, we have crops and we have farmers who uses that water. So imagine using that water and being polluted. And then all of the fruit from those trees that goes to our stores, it can cause very many problems. So once we found these three things, we decided to inform our school. So we started to make sure that we inform our students and our friends about why it was important for us to throw our trash away. We also involved everyone into cleaning our school. So we decided to do a cleaning day where everyone went outside and cleaned our school. We also sent an informational flyer to our community to let our parents, our friends outside our community know the importance of throwing our trash away. Because not only did we wanted to keep our school clean, but we also wanted to keep our community clean. And at the end, we decided to take a trip over to our local parks and our community areas to help clean up more trash. And this was the end of our Geo-Inquiry.